Hello everyone. Today we're going to cook glutinous rice flour ginataan with we're going to use green apples and bilo. Let me show you because I'm holding my camera at the same time. This is bilo or circled rice flour. I have showed you in my previous video how to cook. In my video I entitled how to cook palutang or rising rice flour. I showed you how to form this bilo minus silent G. Bilo means round in Tagalog. As I wrote a book, Speak Tagalog, a basic primer written by yours truly, Miss Juanita, the Gutierrez, BSED, MSED, speaking to you about the video. And now we are going to cook ginataan with rice flour that I have shown you a while ago, green apples, and sweet potatoes, and more in this, my beloved mom's cookbook, Mom and Chef, Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes written by her daughter, speaking to you about the video, Juanita de Gutierrez, BSED, MSED, and all my 22 books, yes, 22, and Mom and Chef is one of them, are available worldwide at Amazon, Ex Libris, Barnes & Nobles, all bookstores near you, and at my two websites, Juanita the Gutierrez, BSCDMSCD.com, and the other one is JuanitaGutierrez.com. So today, we're going to cook green apples and sweet potatoes ginataan in coconut cream, and you will notice the green apples on the right side. And now, let's go to our pan, and we're gonna cook our green apples with coconut cream. We call in the Tagalog language ginataan. And so we are going to drop in the cut green apples. Cooking is a labor of love, above the call of duty. So just peeling off the apples after washing and cutting them, of course, takes a long time. And so you will notice our green apples have changed color, but it's all right. You could put vinegar to avoid the brownish colors, but it's okay. And now we are going to drop in the potato. The sweet potato, we call in the Philippines kamote, Kamote. Sweet potato, and here in the USA where I am, sweet potato is hard to find. So when you see sweet potato, you're gonna catch it quickly. And then we're going to drop in the bilo that I have formed a while ago. But we're going to drop this bilo when the cream is already boiling and our sweet potato and green apples are already cooked. So we're going to drop in now the coconut cream. As you can see, that's the coconut cream. When I was growing up, Mom will use fresh coconut cream. And as you know, this is in the can, from the can, because here in the USA where I am, You don't see coconut trees, but look at that cream. Coconut cream, super nutritious and delicious. Our house in the Philippines is surrounded with coconut trees. So our neighbor will just climb the trees, and then that's the coconut cream. I'm just showing you the coconut milk. So our neighbor will just climb coconut trees, and then mom will grate, or my brothers will help in grating, and then mom will squeeze the fresh milk. I think we're gonna add one more can, and I have another can here ready. So I am going to drop in again look at that, super nutritious, delicious coconut cream, and we are cooking ginataan. Ginataan in the Tagalog language means with coconut cream. And then this is optional, but I'm using cinnamon sticks. Let's see if you could see the camera here. Cinnamon stick, just one. You don't have to. This is optional, by the way. I just want to have cinnamon in there because we are going to use brown sugar as well. And then let's see here. We're going to use brown sugar right here, or you could use white sugar, but I use brown because brown sugar is more healthier. But if you have to bake cakes, of course you have to use the white sugar. You just use whatever is necessary. And I'm just putting a little bit of sugar. As we go along, I'm going to add in, and of course I'm going to taste. And if it is sweet enough for me, you're the cook. You're going to enjoy it. If it is sweet enough for me, then I'm going to add, of course. So we're going to stir them with the apples, with the cinnamon, and the sweet potato. And then we're going to drop the bilo-bilo, or the round rice flour formed when the green apples and the sweet potatoes are already cooked. And then we're going to enjoy it. This is super delicious, mouth-watering indeed. And I'm going to drop this later, all the bilo-bilo that I have formed, and I have shown you in the previous video. I entitled how to cook palutang, rice flour. That's how to make the bilo-bilo, or round rice flour, sticky rice flour. I'm going to drop this, include this, incorporate this in our ginataan as soon as our apples and sweet potatoes are already cooked, because the bilo-bilo quickly cooks and it sticks together. So, and then that's the rice flour used, and more delightful food recipes of my beautiful and beloved mom, Mrs. Teodora Gutierrez, are in this her gorgeous cookbook, Mom and Chef Nanay Nene Teodora, Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes written by her daughter, speaking to you about the video. Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSED, MSED, available worldwide in ebook, Kindle, paperback format. Ebook or Kindle means you could upload my mom's cookbook, Mom and Chef, in your computer quickly in minutes. Or you could have my book right here, paperback like this. Available at Amazon, Ex Libris, all bookstores worldwide, and at my two websites, Juanita Gutierrez, bscdmscd.com, juanitagutierrez.com. Happy cooking in the Tagalog language. Masayang pagluluto po sa inyong lahat. And bilo-bilo is super delicious dessert that I always enjoy when I was growing up and even now. And I would like to invite you for a 10% discount if you would like to order seafoods and more at www.orperaseafood.com, or you could call over the phone here in New York City, New York, USA, 4am 1833-GOT-CORRECT, and you could use my name, Juanita, as your coupon code. Enjoy. And we're going to taste this super nutritious, delicious sweet potato and green apples with coconut cream we call Ginataan, and with one cinnamon stick so that it could equalize the sugar. You could add sugar according to your taste. Wow, this is super nutritious, super delicious in the Tagalog language. Super sarap. Sarap means very delicious. Oh my goodness. This is already mouth-watering and super yum. You could cut your sweet potatoes or apples, green apples, any way you like it. Excuse me, please. Anyhow you want it. This is just amazingly delicious and very nutritious. Of course, the green apples, you could use red apples, and sweet potato. They are very expensive here in the USA, and because they have to import this from other countries, that's why. And that's the brown sugar. That's why it costs much. But in the Philippines, sweet potato is everywhere, especially in the farms. When you plant sweet potato, God will bless you with lots of blessings. And sweet potato is abounding very much in the Philippines. This is super yummy. Of course, you could mix in other ingredients in your ginataan. Mom includes a lot, like ube or gabi, taro, veggies. But here in the USA where I am, we cooked whatever's available in the store, of course. So now I'm cooking green apples, ginataan with sweet potatoes and cinnamon stick right there to equalize the sweetness. Of course, the sweetness of the sweet apples, naturally sweet, and the sweet potatoes, they are naturally sweet, and so you're gonna enjoy this. So I just put a little bit of sugar, brown sugar, as you have seen, but of course you could use the white sugar if you like, but I always like to use only the brown sugar because it's healthier for us. But as I have mentioned, you could use any sugar you would like. Of course, we have white sugar we use in making cakes, and brown sugar I like because it's more healthier. So according to your choice, of course. So see you in the next video. I like to thank my love and light and gratitude blessings to our I am God presence within us, within you, and all of humanity. We are all gods and goddesses, children of one source, creator within. And to my wonderful mom and dad and my siblings and their own families, my beloved mom and dad and brothers and sisters, my cherished brothers and sisters, and all of you, my wonderful subscribers, followers, those who watch my videos, and those who like, shares, comments, and subscribe. Please subscribe if you have not already done so. And thank you all in advance so you could be updated. The aroma of the coconut cream with green apples and sweet potatoes is already super delicious with cinnamon. Oh my. You could use the cinnamon stick again if you would like. Just wash it and then dry it naturally. Oh my, this is super delicious. Look at that. Isn't that super yum and super nutritious? See you in the next video. Happy cooking. Ginataan, green apples, and sweet potatoes with cinnamon and brown sugar and coconut cream. Enjoy. See you in the next video. Happy cooking in the Tagalog language. Masayang pagluluto po sa inyong lahat. Napakasarap. That means super flavorful. Super delicious. Enjoy. Yum.